bring more and more examples for that. Right, Shabab? Any question up to here, Shabab? Yes, brother. Any question up to here? Okay. Now, how many type of controls in general, Shabab? In general, how many types of control we have?
Just two, teacher.
Two type of controls are there in general. Manual control and automatic control. Manual control and automatic control in general.
Automatic.
So what is the difference between manual and automatic? Thus everybody knows. What is the difference between automatic car and manual car?
Automatic is more easier, teacher.
No doubt about that. It is easier. But what is making it automatic?
Can I answer, teacher?
Yes, please, please.
Manual, he wants man to control it. Automatic, he control himself.
See, the manual car, you change the gear by yourself, right?
Yes.
You control the clutch, you control the accelerator, you control the brake, and you change the gear by yourself, right? In automatic car, the gear is being changed automatically, right? So that's why there is no clutch, you don't need it. So this is automatic, and in the manual, you change everything by yourself. You change the gear, you do everything by yourself. Right, Shabab? Everybody with me, Shabab?
Right, teacher. We need a human element in the manual, and not in the...
Yes, you are right. This is also true. In manual, we need some human being to change the gears. In automatic, gears are being changed by themselves. Right, Shabab?
Teacher, we need monitor for manual, but
Yes.
in the we need the machine will play this role.
Yes, yes, you are true. You are true. Let's discuss all-time famous example of the rooftop tank, Shabab. Everybody has seen the rooftop tank, right? Right, Shabab?
Yes, yes, teacher.
Rooftop tank.
Right.
Every building has a tank on the roof, and normally how we fill this tank? You know, we bring the tanker guy, right? He is connecting with the tank, and he is showing the tanker guy is filling the water, and as long as the water is coming in the street, we ask him off the tanker, right? And then that water is everywhere in the street. This is, you can see there is a tank, a guy is standing there and he's watching. Right, Shabab?
Yes, teacher.
Everybody with me, Shabab?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes, teacher.
Let's see.
Yes, teacher. Yes.
So Shabab, there is a tank here. Water tank is there.
So,
Can you guys see the water tank on the board?
Yes, teacher. It's clear.
Yes, yes.
Okay, the water tank is there, and there is a tanker is here in the street. The tanker is connected with the water tank like this. Right, Shabab? And in the middle there is a wall here. The tanker guy open the wall and fill the tank. Shabab with me?
yes, yes.
The sound is not clear, teacher.
The board is not clear.
Yes, not clear, teacher.
Not clear.
Sorry, Shabab, it is clear or not?
No.
No.
It's clear.
I can see it.
It's clear, teacher, clear.
Is it becoming clear, Shabab?
Yeah,
Yes.
it's
No.
clear.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. No. How you will
Yes,
feel
yes,
it?
teacher. Clear, clear.
Normally, what happens? The uh, the tanker guy comes. This man comes and start filling the tank like this. It is filling the tank, right? Like this, and when the water get overflow, right? Water comes in the street. Then we ask the tanker guy, just stop the pump, and he stops, right? So nobody take care. So some people they think, okay, what we do, we will ask some brother, younger brother, to stay on the rooftop and watch it, right, Shabab? And as soon as the tank is full, you inform, so no water should get lost. We all know that water is like gift from Allah. It should not get waste, right, Shabab? So this man, he will watch here. So what is the capacity of this tank? Uh, Imagine 1,000 liter. So what is the set point here? 1,000
1,000.
liter. 1,000 liter. Right, Shabab? Now, just the tanker guy, the tanker man is filling the tank. So here the process variable is there, PV1. Then again it is increasing PV2. So this man, he is watching and he's saying the PV1, it is still less than set point, right? Then PV2, still less than set point. Then PV3, still less than set point. Then PV4, still less than set point. Shabab with me? And
Teacher,
as,
I have a
as
question.
soon as the PV become equal to set point, PV and set point become equal. What is SP? Set point. What is PV, Shabab? Process variable. As soon as
Teacher,
PV and set point comes equal, he will ask the tanker guy, stop. Then the tanker guy will stop. Everybody with me, Shabab?
teacher, what does
Yes.
SP and
with you.
PV mean?
SP set point.
Yes.
SP means set point. Set point.
PV,
And PV mean what? PV process variable. Process variable. Current value of the process. Here we are controlling what, Shabab? Here we are controlling level. So this is the current value of level. So there PV1, PV2, PV3, PV4, like this, it is changing. As the tanker is sending more water, the level is changing. Right, Shabab? And set point is the maximum capacity that we want in this tank. Allah brother with me, Shabab?
yes, teacher.
So this is, we are controlling manually. That's why we say it is manual control. Shabab with me? That's what is the
Yes.
reason we say it is manual control.
Yes.
Because everything we are doing manually. Right, Shabab? So same
Yes.
thing is explained here. When we go to our book, if you see here, the same man is there, the tank is there, and the process variable, see here, the process variable is increasing one by one, right? Before it was here, then it is increasing, and we have a set point here, the maximum that we can, go, that is the set point, and this is the wall here with the hand of the man, right, to open and close, and the tanker is in the street. So this way it is showing the manual control. So how many things are involved in manual control, Shabab? All that detail is there. So how many things are involved in the manual control? Yes, Shabab, how many things are involved in manual control?
Two things.
Which one?
He monitor he monitor how the waters increase and switch on and control on and off the water.
Okay. Anything else? Any other brother?
Yes, 5 teacher.
See here. Once again, Shabab, see here. First of all, this man is watching the water tank, right? This man here is watching the water tank. So he's taking what? Measurement.
He's
And he knows
he's
that
a sensor, teacher.
Sorry? Can you see it, Shabab?
He's a sensor. The man is the sensor.
Man is working as sensor. Very good. Very good. Very good answer. So man is working as sensor. So it is measuring. It is doing the measurement. Right, Shabab? So it is doing the measurement. It is saying PV1 is lesser than the set point. So still we need to increase more. PV2, PV3. So all until unless they are equal, they are same. We need to increase it. So he is doing the measurement and taking the decision. He is also taking the decision. For example, here he watched PV1 is lesser than the set point, so fill more. PV2 less than the set point, fill more. PV3 less than the set point, fill more. PV4 less than the set point, fill more. So he is making decision. When as soon as PV becomes equal to set point, he asks the tanker brother, stop the tanker. So who implement his decision? Tanker brother. Implementation. Here, implementation. This is the implementation. So how many steps are there? Measurement, decision, and implementation. Right, Shabab? Everybody with me, Shabab?
Yes.
Teacher, yes.
Teacher, what's the top?
This one?
Yes.
Decision. Decision.
Okay.
Yes, Shabab. Any other brother has any question?
So teacher, the tank will be stopped when the process variable will be equal to set point, right?
Yes. Yes. That's what he is deciding. As soon as PV is lesser than set point, it will decide to fill the tank more. Right? As
Right.
soon as PV becomes equal to set point, he will ask the tanker guy stop. So he decided stop. Right? And who will implement the decision? The tanker guy. He will stop the tanker. He will stop the pump of the tanker. So how many steps are there? Number 1, measurement. Number 2, decision. Number 3, implementation. Shabab with me?
Yes.
Yes,
Now, see here, if all these points we want to make manually, then yes, Shabab, if we all these points we make manually, we say it is manual control. Right, Shabab? And if we want to make them automatically, then it is automatic control. Right, Shabab? So our next is thing that we want, that is automatic control. Any brother has any question for the manual control, Shabab? Any brother has any question for the manual control?
Clear, teacher.
Okay, that's good.
clear teacher.
Now,
Teacher,
yes, brother.
what is of the most used in the plant in the company? Manual control or auto control?
Auto, we like automatic control, you know. We always like automatic control. Even nowadays, people at their home, the rooftop tank, they are making automatic, right? So we always like automatic control. Right, Shabab?
Yes,
Everybody
because
agree
it's
with us?
easier.
Okay, Shabab. Now this control we wanna change into automatic control, right? So what we need to do? Yeah, Shabab, what we should do to change this control into automatic control?
Add a sensor for level.
Add the sensor for level. Very good. What is more, Shabab? Anything else we need?
We should add controller.
Yes, what we need?
You need control valve.
Control valve. Very
Yeah,
good.
the pump itself should have a mechanic, so if the sensor get to the set point, it should stop.
Yes, very good. Anything else, Shabab?
I think we have to put a computer to give the decision.
That's also good. So very good answers. So now, for example, this is our set point here, right? And this is the man here who's watching it. Right, Shabab? Everybody can see it?
Yeah, yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay. We are removing this man from here. And what we are doing, as our brother told us, put here a sensor. Right? So what sensor we need here? What type of sensor we need here, Shabab? We are making what?
Level.
We are making level, right?
Yeah.
So we'll put a level sensor here. So we put a level sensor here, Shabab. Let's put here. This is our, we put a level sensor. So after putting the level sensor, this level sensor sends the level, right? Everybody with me?
Yes.
So how it will send the signal to the controller? How it will send the signal to the controller? That will make the decision.
Maybe
transmitter. Very good. Very good. Very good. So we will also need to put here a transmitter. Right? So LT is what, Shabab? Level transmitter. What is LS? Level sensor. Right, Shabab? So you want to see the reading here, or you need the blind transmitter, or you want to see the reading? So if you want to see the reading, you also need a level indicator here. All these things you need, right? So what you need, Shabab? You need a level sensor, you need a level transmitter, you need a level indicator. So all these things we put in one pack, and what we say? Level indicator, transmitter. What we say? Yes, Shabab, everybody with me?
Repeat, teacher.
Again,
We need
Yes,
level
sir.
sensor,
Lab indicator, transmitter.
we need level transmitter, we need level indicator.
yes.
So all these three things we put in one pack, and what we name it? Level indicator, transmitter. Right, Shabab?
Yes.
Okay. This level indicator transmitter will send electrical signal. This is symbol for what? Electrical signal. Right, Shabab?
Okay.
And electrical, it will send signal to the level controller. LIC. LIC is what? Level
Level
indicator
controller.
controller. Right, Shabab? See here. LIT is what? LIT, level indicator transmitter. And what is LIC? LIC is what?
Level indicator control.
Very good, very good. Level indicator controller. This value, this signal is what, Shabab? It is what? It is PV, process variable. Right now, the level in the tank. Right, Shabab? We already have given this controller the set point. And output of this controller, again, electrical. Right, Shabab? Everybody with me?
Yes.
Okay. Now,
Yes.
instead of the tanker, brother, we need to put here a valve that will work automatically with the controller. Right, Shabab? So, which valve we should put? We already discussed
Solenoid valve.
which type of valve we can put here very easily.
Solenoid.
Control valve, teacher.
Yeah, control valve is the best. We always try to put control valve. We also can put the solid valve, no doubt. But what is the difference? That we'll discuss as we go further and further. But we prefer to put the control valve. Okay, we can put here control valve. The control valve is there. Let it get a little dry, or we can put the control valve here. This is our control valve, Shabab. This water is coming in. This water in, and it's going towards the tank. Right, Shabab? And this control valve needs which signal? Pneumatic signal. Right, Shabab? This is our controller. That is output is the electrical signal, and our control valve needs the pneumatic signal, right? Yeah, now we can bring it here. Still it is wet, so let it get a drip, no problem. So how we can we connect the electrical signal with the pneumatic signal, Shabab? Can we do it directly? Can we bring this
No, teacher.
here
We need,
and connect it?
we need converter.
We need converter. Very good, brother. Which type of converter we need here? I to P converter. So I is what? I is what, Shabab?
Current.
I is current signal.
I got a question,
Current
teacher.
according to it, right? This is the current signal, output of the controller, right, Shabab? And P is what? Pneumatic signal, right, Shabab?
Can you write the P?
This is P. See here. This is I. Let me make the other color. This is I. This is P. So I mean what? I is current signal. P is what? Pneumatic signal. So P is what, Shabab? Pneumatic. Pneumatic mean what? Air signal. Because this valve, control valve, it needs air signal. So here we put a converter, I to P converter, that is giving it air signal. Now if you see from where we started, Shabab? We started from here, level indicator transmitter, right? This one. Right, Shabab?
Right.
What is here? It is doing what? Measurement. It is doing the measurement. Right, Shabab? Measurement. Who's doing the decision? Who's doing the decision, Shabab?
The controller.
Controller. Very good. Very good. This is controller is here doing a decision. This is the decision. Controller is doing a decision. And who's implement the decision? Who's working for this decision? Who's implementing it?
The valve.
The valve.
The valve.
Well,
Control.
very good. Implementation. This is implementation. So we start with the level indicator transmitter. It has a level sensor inside. It has a level transmitter, level indicator. It is sending signal to the level indicator controller. This signal is PV, process variable, current value of the level. Set point we already put in the controller, right, Shabab? This controller is comparing both of them as a human being. There was human being in the manual control, and as long as PV is less than set point, it will not close the valve. As soon as they become equal, it will send the signal, this electrical signal, that will be converted into pneumatic signal, and it will close the valve. Shabab with me?
Teacher.
Yes.
Yes, clear, teacher.
Teacher,
Any
What about-
question up to here, brother, please ask. Any question up to here, please ask.
I have a question, teacher.
Yes, please.
Pneumatic means pressure.
Air signal, air. Pneumatic means air. Air signal. Hawa.
teacher, why
Yes.
the pressure is equal pneumatic?
Pneumatic. Pneumatic.
Pneumatic.
Pneumatic.
Why it is equal?
Because no, pneumatic means air pressure, pressure signal. Pneumatic signal means pressure signal.
I understand.
It is our technical name of the pressure signal. Air signal is pneumatic signal.
But maybe in the tank, the pressure in the air will be different in the inside.
No, wait. In the tank, water is there. This is water level. This pneumatic signal is going to this valve through I2P converter.
Yes.
See, this controller is giving the output to this I2P converter, and this pneumatic signal going to the valve. It is not related to inside the tank. Inside the tank, water is there. You got my point?
Yes, it's clear now.
Teacher, just what if we have another liquid?
Yeah, you can. We will discuss a lot of examples, inshallah. Today is our first day. Inshallah, every time we're gonna have a lot of examples. No problem.
Like teacher in instrument one, yes, this example.
Sorry?
Like in instrument one in the pressure measurement.
Yes, yes, yes. Any other question, brother? Please ask.
Sure.
Yes.
Level inductor. It is send the signal to the controller. Yes.
Level transmitter will send. Level indicator will just show. It is just showing. Level transmitter is sending signal to the controller.
Okay. I got it. Thank you.
That's good. Any other brother, please ask, please.
Teacher, what you are writing here in the control valve?
Sorry?
In the control valve.
This one?
Yes.
Implementation.
What does it
What is
mean?
this? Implementation. Who will implement the decision? Who will stop the water? This valve will stop the water, right?
Okay.
So this is implementation. So how many steps we have? We have 3 steps. Number 1, measurement. See, the sensor is measuring, right?
Mhm.
Then we have decision. Who's making the decision? Controller. The controller is making the decision, right? Who is implementing this decision? This valve. This valve is implementing the decision. So whatever open more, close more, this valve is doing. So how many steps are there, Shabab? 3 steps.
3.
Which one? Please tell me. Which steps are?
teacher.
Yeah, please tell me the steps. How many steps we have?
3, teacher.
3 steps. Which one? Please tell.
Measurement,
Measurement.
decision, and then
Decision.
Implementation.
implementation.
Implementation. Very good. Very
Teacher,
good.
it's different
Yes.
if the tank open or close.
Sorry?
It's different if the tank open or close. The pressure.
Please, this tank is open. We are taking it as an open example. That will we when we go to in detail, we will discuss that. Don't worry, inshallah. Right now, it is open tank. Right?
Teacher, excuse me.
Yes,
What
please.
does this mean? IP that connecting with diaphragm valve.
I to P converter. What we say, Shabab? I to P converter. I mean what? Current signal.
Current.
And P mean what? Pneumatic signal, air signal. So this is a device that converts current into air. What does it do, Shabab? It converts current into air signal. So we give it to current signal and it gives output as air signal. Have you guys seen this device before, Shabab? Shabab, you guys have seen it before?
Yes.
I2P converter?
No, teacher.
If you have not seen it, please remind me in the lab. I will show you this one, right?
Teacher,
Me,
you will record this lecture and you put in Blackboard.
Sorry?
You will record this lecture and put in a Blackboard so we can get sometime later we will can take it again.
Yeah, you can take it again, no problem. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yes, brother, any other question? Any brother has any question? Yes, Shabab, up to here, any brother has any question? Please ask. Any question, brother? Yes.
I what's the mean I because I want what's the mean I understand. I don't understand. What's the mean?
I mean current signal. Current signal. Current.
Understand.
Any other brother? Yes, brother. Yes, brother. Any brother has any question? Now see here, we are now in our book. So we convert manual control into automatic control. Right, Shabab? Everybody with me? All the brother with me, Shabab?
Yes, yes.
Yes, teacher, with you.
Yes, teacher, yes.
No, is it always necessary? It's going to be level control because we make the level control, right? It is not necessary. Sometimes it is temperature control. Sometimes it is pressure control, right? Sometimes some other control, flow control. So why don't we make a block diagram? Is that a good idea to make a block diagram out of that? Right, Shabab? So this is our block diagram. Everybody can see the block diagram?
Yes.
So in the block diagram, we have a tank, right? There is a tank there. See, this is the tank, right? Then we have a sensor there. See, this is the sensor, right, Shabab? Then we have a controller. The sensor is sending PV to the controller. Process variable PV is going to the controller. The controller, we already give the set point, right? Output of the controller is going towards the final control element. What is final control element? Our valve. Our valve is final control element, right, Shabab? So once again, we have sensor. Sensor, we also say primary element. What is sensor? Other name? Primary element. The sensor is sending PV process variable to the controller, right? Controller, we already give the set point. Output of the controller is going to the valve. This is valve FCE. FCE mean what, Shabab? Final control element. Final control element, right? So this is wall, final control element. This is the block diagram of the same process, right, Shabab? So any question up to here, Shabab? Somebody has question, please ask. Yes, brother. Some brother has question, please ask. Please ask the question. So the same block diagram, we can make it for the level, we can make it for the pressure, we can make it for any procedure. So here we can say instead of sensor, we can say level sensor, that is sending PV. Instead of controller, we can say level controller. Instead of valve, we can say level control valve. See, it is written there, level control valve, final control element. Right, Shabab? Any brother has question up to here? FCE mean final control element. Brother Abdullah, FCE mean final control element. That is valve, our control valve, level control valve. See, it is written here, level control valve. FCE, final control element. Yes, any brother has question, please ask. Yes, brother, if you have question, please ask. You can send me the question by email. You can whatever way we can arrange another lecture like this. We can arrange a meeting, whatever way you like. If you have any question, please ask. Yes, brother. Any question up to here?
Can you repeat what's the mean FCE? I can't hear.
Final control element. Final control element.
What is the mean final, teacher?
This is the thing that is implementing the decision, right?
Yes.
So it is the final element, final control element. Which one is the primary element?
Final.
Sensor.
Level
Sensor.
sensor.
Sensor. Primary element is sensor. Very good. Very good, brother.
Final like
Final control
supply of
element?
water, teacher.
Sorry?
Final like supply of water, supply of
Yes,
air.
yes, yes. And the primary sensor, that is
Yes.
sensing, right?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Any other brother has question, please ask. Some other brother has question, please ask.
Clear, teacher.
Yes, brother. Any other brother has any question? So this is the diagram we can make for the same process. We have changed the place of the valve, right? See here, this is level indicator. Here, this is level indicator, transmitter LIT, that is making the PV, and it is sending towards the level indicator controller. Level indicator controller, we already have given the set point, and output of the controller, this electric signal is going I to P converter, right? And pneumatic signal, the air signal out of the I to P converter, it is going towards the final control element. Right, Shabab? This is the same tank, same procedure, but we just change the place of the valve. There is another way to put the valve. Right, Shabab? Any question about this thing, Shabab?
Yes,
Repeat,
teacher.
teacher.
Sorry?
Teacher, repeat.
Yeah, I can, no problem. See here, Shabab. Everybody understand this tank. This tank is there, right? This rooftop tank, level tank, right? What is this? LIT. What is this LIT, Shabab?
Sensor.
LIT, level.
Level indicator.
Level indicator transmitter.
Very good, very good. Level indicator transmitter. So it has how many things? It has three things. It has level sensor, it has level indicator, and it has transmitter, right? So this transmitter sending signal, which signal? PV. This PV, right? PV mean what? PV mean what, Shabab?
Process
Process
variable.
Process
variable.
variable.
Process variable. Very good. This process variable it is sending towards the controller. LIC. LIC mean what?
Level
indicator controller.
Very good. Level indicator controller. This level indicator controller, we already have given SP, set point. See there, set point is there, SP, right? So it will compare PV with SP and it will generate the signal. It will give the output signal, right? This output signal will go to I to P converter. What is I to P converter is what, Shabab? What is I to P converter?
Current to pneumatic.
Very good. It is current to pneumatic converter. So it is receiving current signal and it is giving the pneumatic signal. So pneumatic mean air signal. Right, Shabab? Everybody with
Yes,
me?
teacher.
Okay.
Yes.
This pneumatic signal will go to the control valve, final control element, FCE. That is controlling the level, right? So this control valve is receiving the pneumatic signal. Right, Shabab?
Yes.
Any question up to here? Please ask.
Yes,
teacher, what does M mean
M
under
means
the LIC?
output of the controller. Output of the controller, M. Manipulated variable. M, that is output of the controller. Calculated variable. The controller compare PV with SP and give the output, that is M. Yes, brother. Any other question? Please ask. Yes, brother. Please ask the question.
Everything clear, teacher.
Mashallah, that's good. Thank you very much. So again, whoever brother is not asking right now, no problem. You can send me the mail, or we can call a meeting, or we can have again answer question session. No problem.